Today we're going to do a very special kind of unboxing video. It's called What's Clogging My Wife's Sink Drain? Here we go. Now I've already disconnected the stopper, so let's see what we got here. A pretty healthy contingency of gook. We'll go ahead and clear this off so we can start making a pile over here on camera. So Dr. Pimple Popper, eat your heart out. Yeah. Oh, I guess I gotta use my finger. Ugh. It's very gooey and smushy. There's kind of a peculiar smell, like soap, but not all soap. Maybe some shampoo. Ooh, I see a chunk of something. Well, that's probably all there was, right? Well, let's just double check. Oh boy. Oh. God, I'm sweating. My mouth is dry. Yeah. It's just getting worse. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh boy. That looked like a poodle. Okay. This just keeps coming. That's just the first 4 inches or so. I'm gonna get down in there this time. Oh. Oh. Oh man. This is under my fingernails. I should have worn gloves. I don't know what this brown smear is here, but I don't really want to know. Okay. Oh God. Why is it like this? I think I just flicked it on myself. Okay. Come on, buddy. No. Okay. Oh boy, I feel something heavy on this one. Oh yeah. Oh God. Oh. What's living down there? Oh my God. Oh, the smell. I feel like plumbers should make $1 million an hour. Oh God. Okay. Here we go. Oh. I felt something like grab back that time. It's like it's putting up a fight. Oh. 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 Okay. Oh. 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 What is that? It's changing colors as I get deeper down. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Come on, buddy. Oh, you're down there. Oh. Oh God. Oh. That one got away. Oh shit. Okay. It just fell down. Here it comes. Oh God. Oh my god, it's gross. I'm sweating through my shirt now. Okay, hopefully we're nearing the end. No more gremlins down here. Oh, 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 oh my god. So fellas, if your wife has beautiful long hair like mine does, yet her sink drain doesn't seem to go and drain all that well, this is what could be waiting for you on a Sunday afternoon. Little drain fishing. Not as fun as real fishing, but just as disgusting. Oh god, it's still coming out. Hopefully that's it. Oh my god. What is it, honey? I'm cleaning mommy's drain. I think I'm done. Can you press stop on the camera? Thanks for watching.